Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a website like ChatGPT. So without wasting any time, let's start. For integrating the ChatGPT into your website, you have to download a plugin. So let's go into the plugin section and let's click on Add New. Let's go into the search bar and search for GPT. And we have to install the first plugin that appears in front of you. You can remember the icon, it is a cat, and click on Install Now. And then activate it. Okay, so finally our plugin is activated. Let's open the plugin. Click on the Meow apps and go into the AI engine. Here you can see it says to use the features of AI engine, you need an OpenAI account and an API key. Visit the OpenAI website to create an account, then insert your OpenAI API key in the setting tabs. Let's click on the OpenAI. And now we have to log in with the Google accounts. So our account is made. Let's click on the personal. Click View API Keys. And click on Create New Secret Key. Then click on Create Secret Key. Now you have to copy this. You can copy this API key by just clicking this button. It says API key copied. Let's go into the WordPress again. Let's go into the settings of Meow apps. And here it says API key. Paste the API key that you have copied and click here. Now let me show you the settings that you can do for customizing your chatbot. Click on the chatbot. Here it says main settings. Click on it. And you can change the style of conversation. Now open the visual settings. Here you have to select these buttons. Select all of them. You can change the avatar of the chatbot by selecting from these avatars. Here you can see the changes that are made. And in the AI name section, in your case, it will be stating as AI, but I have changed it to Beepo as I want this to appear like a robot. Then click on pop-up settings. Here you can change the location of the button. It says bottom left. And the changes are made. I prefer it to the bottom right. Then click on AI settings. You can change the model here and other features. I recommend you to don't really change these things. Click on custom shortcode. Now this is the important part. You have to copy this shortcode and the page that we're gonna make on the website, you have to paste the shortcode there. After copying this, let's go into the pages, create a new page. Let's give it a title. Then click on this plus icon, add block, and search short. It says shortcode, click on it and paste the code that you have copied. Then publish the page. Let's see the page that we have created by clicking on this View Page button. And here is the icon for ChatGPT, and here is the search bar. Okay, so let me quickly show you what are the visual settings that you can change in the chatbot. Let's go into the Meow apps and open the AI engine. Let's go onto the chatbots and click on visual settings. Here you can see three main settings that we can turn on and off. First one says the copy button, then the second one is pop-up. And if you click on this, in the preview section, it will show as a pop-up button, which I showed you. And if you uncheck this, your chatbot will appear like a box. Let me quickly show you. Let's go onto the website and reload. So this is how the chatbot is going to appear. Let's go back into the chatbot settings and let's click off the full screen. And here you can see it just turned into a small box. Let me show you by going on the website again. And let's reload the website. And this is how you can customize the chatbot settings. I hope that you learned something new today. And if you really liked the video, please do leave a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next one. For now, peace.